Ever felt like you're juggling a million things at once, and just one wrong move could send everything crashing down? Whether you're managing a team, tackling personal projects, or trying to keep your household running smoothly, the feeling of being overwhelmed is all too familiar, right? You're probably nodding along, maybe even picturing that overflowing to-do list right now. In today's fast-paced world, staying organized isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. We're constantly bombarded with information, deadlines, and tasks, making it easy to lose track of what's important. And that's where project management and organization tools step in, your digital superheroes against the chaos. Now, there's a sea of these tools out there, each promising to be the ultimate solution to your organizational woes. You've likely heard of some of the big names: Asana, Monday.com, ClickUp. They all offer powerful features, but sometimes all that complexity can feel like adding another layer to the very problem you're trying to solve. What if there was a tool that was both powerful and incredibly intuitive? A visual workspace that lets you see your projects at a glance, collaborate seamlessly, and customize everything to fit your unique workflow? Well, spoiler alert, there is. And chances are you've already stumbled upon it: Trello. Trello, with its simple yet effective card-based system, has become a favorite for individuals and teams worldwide. It's the digital equivalent of sticky notes on a whiteboard, but with superpowers. You can create boards for different projects, lists to organize tasks within those projects, and cards to represent individual items. Drag and drop functionality makes it incredibly easy to move tasks through different stages, assign responsibilities, set deadlines, and add attachments. But here's the question that probably brought you here today: how much does this organizational magic cost? In a world of subscription fees and tiered pricing, understanding the investment is crucial. You want to know if Trello fits not just your workflow, but also your budget. So, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of Trello's pricing structure. The good news is that Trello offers a range of plans designed to cater to different needs, from individuals just starting out to large enterprises with complex requirements. This means there's likely a Trello plan that's just right for you, whether you're a solo freelancer, a small team, or a large organization. Let's start with the plan that many people begin with, and the one that's fantastic for personal use and small teams just getting started: Trello Free. Yes, you heard that right, free. Trello offers a surprisingly robust free plan that allows you to create unlimited boards, add unlimited members, and have up to 10 workspaces. You also get unlimited lists and cards within those boards, which is pretty generous. With the free plan, you can assign members to cards, set due dates, add checklists, and include one power-up per board. Power-ups are integrations with other apps and services that can extend Trello's functionality. While the free plan has some limitations, like a 10 megabytes file attachment limit and restrictions on advanced features, it's an excellent way to experience the core benefits of Trello and see if it fits your needs. For many individuals and small, simple teams, the free plan might be all they ever need. Now, if you find yourself needing more power, more integrations, and fewer limitations, Trello offers paid plans. These plans unlock a wider range of features designed to boost collaboration, enhance productivity, and provide greater control over your workflows. The first paid tier we should look at is Trello Standard. This plan is a step up from the free plan and is designed for teams that need to collaborate more effectively. As of my last update, the pricing for Trello Standard typically hovers around $5 per user per month when billed annually, or a bit more if you opt for monthly billing. Keep in mind that these prices can sometimes change, so it's always a good idea to check Trello's official pricing page for the most up-to-date information. So, what do you get with Trello Standard that you don't get with the free plan? For starters, the file attachment limit increases significantly to 250 megabytes per file, which is a huge jump. You also get unlimited power-ups per board, allowing you to integrate Trello with all the other tools your team relies on. Custom backgrounds and saved searches are also included, adding a bit more personalization and efficiency to your workflow. One of the key additions in the standard plan is advanced checklists, which allow you to assign members and due dates to individual items within a checklist. This can be incredibly useful for breaking down larger tasks into smaller, actionable steps with clear ownership. You also gain access to single board guests, which allows you to invite external collaborators to specific boards without giving them access to your entire workspace. Another significant benefit of Trello Standard is the increased number of team boards you can create. While the free plan limits you to 10 team boards, the standard plan removes this restriction, allowing you to organize your work into as many team-specific boards as you need. Moving up the pricing ladder, we arrive at Trello Premium. This plan is designed for teams that need even more advanced features for project management, collaboration, and automation. As of my last knowledge update, Trello Premium generally costs around $10 per user per month when billed annually, with a slightly higher price for monthly billing. Again, always verify the current pricing on Trello's website. Trello Premium builds upon the features of the standard plan and adds a powerful suite of tools aimed at streamlining complex workflows and providing deeper insights into your team's progress. One of the standout features of Premium is the introduction of different board views, such as Timeline View for visualizing project schedules, Calendar View for managing deadlines, Map View for location-based tasks, and Dashboard View for getting high-level overviews of project progress. These different perspectives can be incredibly valuable for managing different types of projects and understanding your team's capacity. Automation is another key aspect of Trello Premium. You gain access to unlimited Trello commands, Butler Automation, which allow you to automate repetitive tasks based on triggers and rules you define. This can save your team countless hours and ensure consistency in your processes. For example, you can automatically move cards to a done list when all checklist items are completed, or assign members to cards based on specific criteria. Premium also offers enhanced administrative controls, including the ability to restrict who can create public boards and invite new members. This can be crucial for maintaining security and control within larger organizations. You also get priority support, ensuring that any issues you encounter are addressed quickly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.